Welcome to our tutorial on Adobe Photoshop. Today, we'll be discussing the top features and highlights of this powerful graphic design software. Photoshop is known for its advanced editing capabilities, image manipulation, and compositing techniques. One of its top features is the ability to blend multiple images together, creating stunning visual effects. Additionally, it offers a wide range of filters and brushes to enhance your designs. Another notable feature is the Smart Object technology, which allows you to quickly and easily create and edit templates. This saves time and ensures precision every time. For beginners, Photoshop offers a user-friendly interface and a plethora of tutorials and guides to help you get started. As you become more comfortable with the software, you can explore its advanced features and techniques to unlock your full creative potential. In conclusion, Adobe Photoshop is an essential tool for graphic designers, photographers, and art enthusiasts alike. With its top features and extensive tutorials, it's the perfect platform to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life.